Hello all, welcome back to my channel Food Prod Notes. I, Chef Reena Dongre, would be discussing purchase functions in hotel kitchens today. Purchase department is an ancillary department in the hotel, but nonetheless, it is one of the important departments. It helps to maintain the financial health of organizations by procuring goods and services that meet operational needs while providing the highest value. The procurement policies and procedures established by purchase department ensures that their organizations operate with integrity in the marketplace. It helps to keep the operations moving smoothly by monitoring supply chains, and it relieves the department heads of tedious tasks such as negotiating contracts with vendors. The role a purchase department, however, plays in an organization depends on the size of the organization. Thus, the functions of a purchase department can be summarized as to buy raw material in quantities appropriate to predetermined standards at the right price and at a minimum cost to meet desired standards. I have used the word raw material as we are discussing the purchasing function in hotels. By following established purchasing procedure, an operation can avoid many purchasing pitfalls such as panic buying, over or short purchasing, pressure buying, etc. And thus, purchase department also helps to reduce the wastage. Purchase department or procurement department or purchasing department is one and the same, having different names. The purchase manager is the in charge of purchase department. His duties and responsibilities can be summarized as he is responsible for the management of the purchasing office, the receiving area, storage area, and cellar. He is responsible for purchasing of all commodities. He has to ensure continuity of supply of all items to the user departments. He is also responsible to find cheaper and more efficient sources of supply without compromising the quality. He has to keep updated with all the markets being dealt with, and he has to evaluate new products. He has to do the research into products, markets, and price trends, etc. His another responsibility includes coordination with food production department to standardize commodities and thus thereby reducing stock levels. Reduced stock levels also means less capital being invested in that stock. He is also responsible for liaising with food production, F&B control, accounts, and marketing departments. Along with these heads, he is also responsible for making the standard purchase specifications. And finally, he is reporting to senior management. Thank you very much for watching.